Imagine spending $50,000 and the dashboard flickers like a Christmas tree in July. Imagine buying an SUV that leaks when it rains, not outside, but inside the cabin. Or worse, imagine driving a brand new truck and the accelerator gets stuck, propelling you forward like a runaway rocket. Sounds like a nightmare. These aren't horror stories from shady used car lots. These are brand new vehicles, some costing over six figures. In today's video, we're revealing 13 of the worst new cars you'll regret buying in 2025. These cars look shiny in the showroom, but under the hood, they're money pits just waiting to ruin your wallet and your week. Before we dive in, subscribe if you want to avoid expensive car mistakes and make smarter decisions every time you hit the dealership. Asterisk CARs that look good, but beware your CAsh. Number 13. BMW X5. Luxury, power, prestige. That's what you expect when you drop over $160,000 on a BMW, right? But the XN feels more like a science experiment than a refined driving machine. It's heavy, sluggish in corners, and somehow less fun than its smaller sibling, the X5M, which costs nearly $40,000 less. Inside, tech overload meets design chaos. Buttons are confusing, and the ride feels more like a status symbol struggle than a driver's dream. Number 12. Audi Q4 e-tron Sportback. Sleek and stylish on the outside, this Audi turns heads until you drive it. You're paying $60,000 for specs that base Tesla Model Y beats for $10,000 less. Less power, less range, and a clunky infotainment system that feels more 2013 than 2025. Number 11. Ford F-150 Hybrid. America's favorite truck, until you add batteries. With strange engine noises, battery issues, and a reliability score that barely hits double digits, the hybrid F-150 is a sad twist on a legendary nameplate. Consumer Reports gave it a 7 out of 100 for reliability. Let that sink in. If you've ever made a car decision you regretted, or want to avoid the next one, hit that subscribe button now. I promise you, your wallet will thank you later. 2. Over high-speed EVs. Promises broken. WALLET is broken too. Number 10. Chevrolet Blazer EV. It's bold, it's electric, and it sometimes doesn't start. From software glitches to unresponsive charging ports, this car feels like it's still in beta. Chevy even paused sales to fix the mess. How's that for confidence? Number 9. Fisker Ocean. What happens when your EV startup promises the moon and delivers a mess? Fisker filed for bankruptcy. Parts are scarce. Service is slow. And Consumer Reports gave it 15 out of 100 for reliability. Yes, 15. Number 8. Subaru Solterra / Toyota Bizzu 4X. This dynamic duo came with a disturbing surprise. Wheels that could literally fall off while driving. Even after the recall, these twin EVs still underperform, with weak range, sluggish charging, and dull driving. Toyota and Subaru rarely fumble, but here, they fumbled hard. Number 7. Jeep Wrangler 2025. You either love Wranglers or you've owned one long enough to regret it. The death wobble is still a thing. Roof leaks, failing electronics, and a price tag that can hit $90,000 for a Rubicon 392. You're paying luxury prices for trail issues and tech headaches. Number 6. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Same brand, same pain. A supposed premium SUV with a 22 out of 100 reliability score. One owner said, It's been back to the service center 4 times and they still can't find the problem. At over $40,000, that's just painful. Number 5. Land Rover Discovery Sport. The running joke is that if you want a Land Rover, you should also buy a tow truck. Sadly, it's not really a joke. With a 30 out of 100 reliability score, stiff ride, laggy infotainment, and costly repairs, this luxury SUV delivers a high-end look and low-end dependability. Loving the brutal honesty? Then make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment if you've had a bad car experience. We might feature it in our next video. The FINAL4. The worst of THEWORST. Number 4. Tesla Model 3. Base RVD. It used to be the cool kid in town. Now, it's the kid that forgot to do its homework. Owners report failing paint, misaligned panels, and suspension problems. And if something breaks, get ready to wait weeks for service. It's fast, yes, but is it well built? Not so much anymore. Number 3. Tesla's Cybertruck. More spaceship than truck, but not in a good way. Tesla recalled 46,000 units for a part that could fly off at speed. Add to that, failing wipers, sticky accelerator pedals, uneven panels, and a price tag near $100,000 fully loaded. What do you really get? A futuristic-looking headache. Number 2. Fiat 500X. Poor resale, poor build, poor fuel economy, and a 14 out of 100 reliability score. Fiat hasn't updated the small SUV meaningfully in years, but still wants $30,000 plus for it. It's noisy, clunky, and loaded with outdated tech. Even owners say, don't do it. Number 1. Mitsubishi Mirage. This car was once the cheapest new car in America. Now, it's gone. Mitsubishi pulled the plug in 2024, and good riddance. Weak engine, harsh ride, terrible crash test scores. The Mirage earned the nickname the poor man's penalty box. And yet, some dealers are still selling the last batch. But you'd be better off lighting that $17,000 on fire. Cars aren't just transportation. They're one of the biggest purchases you'll make. So don't fall for shiny brochures and smooth-talking salespeople. Do your homework, ask real owners, watch videos like this one, and hit subscribe if you want more brutal honesty about the cars that deserve your hard-earned money and the ones that don't. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, drive safe, and keep your cash out of the service bay.